Hi dear friend, welcome to our infinity classes. In this video we are going to prove that one of the most important property that will be asked in the part E. It is a most likely question for 6 marks in the part E, question number 46 for 6 marks. Proof and property will be asked in the examination. It is most important property for the point of your second PUC annual exam. So look at, see here, this question has been already asked in the year June 2014, 15 and July 2019. 3 times this property has been asked in the year June 2014 and 15 and July 2019. So it is very important property. ये बहुत important property है. 3 बार यह already exam में पूछा गया है. पार्टी क्वेश्चन नंबर 46 को आएगा इस बार के अकॉर्डिंग टू इस बार का जो ब्लूप्रिंट और पैटर्न है क्वेश्चन पेपर का. क्वेश्चन नंबर 46 में ಡೆಫಿನೈಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ की ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ पूछी जाएगी. ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 46 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳುವಂತ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ a to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x. We have to prove this one and hence evaluate the problems. 1 2 3 4 problems are here. So let us we will see the what one by one. First we will prove the property. First हम property को proof करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद में problems को solve करेंगे. तो यहाँ पर first जो problem question इस तरह से पूछा जाता है एग्जाम में. The way of asking the question is see here. वो प्रश्न ಏನು ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Prove that integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx and hence evaluate integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3, that is 1 by 1 plus root of tan x dx. This property and problem has been asked 3 times in the examination, that is June 2014 and 2015 and July 2019. So let us first we will prove the property. So write the first given, that is take the RHS to prove this one. Write RHS first. What is RHS here? A to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Take RHS. Write the RHS, that is integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Now after that use the substitution. So I am writing the substitution here. Put a plus b minus x is equal to t. Substitute a plus b minus x is equal to t. Then differentiate with respect to t. With respect to what? T. Derivative of a will be what? 0 and derivative of b is also 0. Then minus sign as it is. Derivative of a 0 and derivative of b is also 0. 0 plus 0 is what? 0. Leave it that one. Derivative of x with respect to t is what? Dx by dt. Derivative of t is what? 1. T with respect to t is what? 1. Now solve for dx. Dx is equal to what? Minus dt. Dx is equal to what? Minus dt. Now change the limits. After taking the substitution and differentiation, change the lower limit and upper limit. When x is equal to a, so here in this equation, if I put when x is equal to a, if I put here x is equal to a, see the equation here. If I put x is equal to a here, minus a plus a will get cancelled, that is t is equal to what? B. When x is equal to b, t is equal to what? A. T is equal to what? A. Listen here and see here, observe carefully. When x is equal to a, then minus a plus a get cancelled, the value of t will become what? B. When x is equal to b, minus b plus b cancel and t will be what? A here. Now come to this RHS part here. Now see here, integration of, I will write integration and f as it is and d in the place of dx. See here, what changes is taking place after the substitution. Substitution ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಏನೇನು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. What changes will be take place. Substitution करने के बाद में जो भी changes है यहाँ पर उसे first लिखते हैं. x की वैल्यू a डालने के बाद में t की वैल्यू क्या आती है? b. So lower limit change to what? B here and upper limit will become what? A. लोअर लिमिट a था b हो जाएगा और अपर लिमिट b था a हो जाएगा. Then a plus b minus x is what? t, because we have taken the substitution. A plus b minus x is equal to t. Now what is the value of dx? Dx is nothing but minus dt. Dx is what? Minus dt. That is equal to, see here, take this minus sign outside of the integral. In front of dt, which sign is there? In front of dt, minus sign is there. Take this minus sign outside of the integral. ये माइनस साइन जो है dt का माइनस चिन्ह ಏನೈತಲಪ್ಪ dt ಮುಂದಗಡೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಮೈನಸ್ b to a f of t dt. Now as we learned in the last video, interchange the limit. Now I am changing the limit b to a and a to b. The sign of the integral will be what? Change. If I interchange the limits here, lower to upper and upper to lower, then sign of the integral will be what? Change. That is equal to what here? Integration of a to b f of t dt. Now last, change of limit property. After the change of limit property, we are applying the first property, change of variable. If you change the variable t to x and the dt to what? Dx, then there will be no change in the integral, we can say, as we learned in the last video. Integration of a to b f of x dx, that is equal to what? LHS. Therefore we can say that here, therefore integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x. A plus b minus x dx. This is the proof of the property. So this is the what? The proof of the property. LHS equal to RHS. So we have taken the RHS and prove the what? LHS here. From the last we have to write the conclusion. LHS equal to RHS. Therefore integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to what? A to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So this is the proof of the property, and it is very important and very simple property. So pause the video and note it down. The next problem part. So moving to the problem part. So what is the problem here? First one is integration of, we will take I is equal to integration of pi by 6 to pi by 3 1 by 1 plus root tan x dx. Root tan x dx. So I will make the 3 part because it requires the space here to solve the problem. Look at here what changes I am doing here in this property. This problem, I is equal to integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 1 by 1 plus this root tan x. Root tan x, I am going to write root tan x in terms of what? Sin by cos. So root tan x को मैं sin by cos लिखता हूँ. Root tan x ना इन मार्तने पर root sin x by root cos x. dx. In the next step, this root tan x I am changing in terms of what? Root sin x by root cos x. And in the next step, I is equal to take LCM and cross multiply 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. See here, what I am doing here, root cos x into 1 root cos x, and root cos x into 1 is what? Root cos x. Take LCM and cross multiply root cos x into 1 root cos x, and denominator LCM is what? Root cos x, and it goes to the what? Numerator, that is 1 into root cos x, or root cos x into 1, that is root cos x plus root sin x into root cos x dx. Call this as equation 1. Equation 1. Now applying the property, we know that the property, see here, we know that integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. A plus b minus x dx. After applying this property, what is happen? See here, what will happen? So applying, what is a here? This is the value of a. What is b here? 5 by 3 is what here? B. Applying this property, now the changes will become I is equal to integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. See here, x changed to 1 time x, 2 times x, 3 times. 3 times x is there in the function. 3 times x will be there in the function. Here a plus b minus x. A means what here? 5 by 6. B means what here? 5 by 3. It will become what? Root cos x. Cos 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x divided by root cos 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x plus root sine 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x dx. So this is after applying the property a plus b minus x. So this is what? A plus b minus x, a plus b minus x, a plus b minus x. So on simplifying this 5 by 6 and 5 by 3, after simplifying this 5 by 6, 5 by 3, 5 by 6, 5 by 3, 5 by 6 and 5 by 3 is nothing but pi by 2. On simplifying 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3, after taking LCM and cross multiply, you will get what? 5 by 2. No need to calculate by taking LCM and cross multiply here. Then I is equal to 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 root cos 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 will become what? 5 by 2 minus x divided by root of cos 5 by 2 minus x plus root of cos sine 5 by 2 minus x dx. Now after this we are using the complementary angles or allied angles of trigonometric function. Cos 90 minus x, cos 90 minus x, sin 90 minus x. Again cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x. Sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x. Now I is equal to integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 root cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x divided by square root of cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x plus sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x dx. Equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2 we get. Adding 1 and 2. So here after adding, what will happen? Here I is there, here also I is there. I plus I, 2i. I plus I is what? 2i we can say. So here I plus I is what? 2i. I have a space here. I will write here the remaining one. I plus I is what? 2i. Integration is common here. 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. Yes. Now denominator of the equation 2 and denominator of equation is what? Same. Denominator of equation 1 and denominator of equation 2 is what? Same here. So write as it is a root cos x plus root sin x. And add the numerator value. Here root cos x is there plus root sin x is there. Listen here, the denominator of equation 1 is what? Root cos x plus sin x, and the denominator of equation 2 is also what? Root sin x plus root cos x. It means both are same. If the denominator is same, add the numerator value. So what is the numerator? Root cos x plus root sin x. Dx. Then it will get cancelled. After cancelling, that is 2i is equal to 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 dx. Integration of dx is what? X between the limit 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. Then first substitute the upper limit, then minus of the lower limit, that is 2I is equal to pi by 3 upper limit, then minus of the what, lower limit. Then what is the LCM again? 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6, then 2 pi minus pi, then 2I is equal to, here 6 is the LCM, 2 pi minus 5, yes, then 2I is equal to 5 by 6, then I is equal to what, pi by 12. This is the final answer. In this way we have to solve the problem. So it is very important problem for the point of your exam. Pause the video and note it down. Pause the video and note it down, this one. If you have any doubt, just leave me the comment in the comment box. The next video again we are going to solve the remaining problems. So keep on watching my channel. Those you have still not shared my channel,